When handling food, it is very important that one maintains a high level of cleanliness so as to avoid contamination of the food, which may in turn become hazardous.
Food spoilage is the deterioration of food, making it unfit for human consumption, while food poisoning is the illness caused by eating contaminated food.
Prevention is always better than cure. You should therefore always ensure that you check the expiry date of food items before purchasing them.
Click on the button for video clip to view the video.
Click on the button for video clip again to view the video.
Food poisoning may be caused by various things. For more information, these are examples of items that can contaminate food and cause food poisoning. Bacterial contamination may be caused by bacteria, which enter into the human body through contaminated food. Protein foods such as ice cream, milk, meat pies, and poorly stored cooked foods provide favorable conditions for the growth of bacteria, which when taken into the body can result in food poisoning.
Food poisoning through natural poisons commonly occurs especially in badly stored grains. When grains are stored in damp conditions or when not completely dry, they produce poison known as aflatoxins. Just like food poisoning, food spoilage results from many things, as you will learn in this topic.
If food is not stored properly, it will get spoiled.
Chemicals present in food containers, wrappings, and packets may also spoil food.
These are examples of aerobic food spoilage, which is caused by microorganisms in the presence of oxygen. A person suffering from food poisoning may have the following signs and symptoms: vomiting, fever, dizziness, general body weakness, shivering, abdominal pains, and diarrhea.